Sponsored, https 3movers.com, Maryland Cheap Moving Company, Konterra. Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Konterra, local and long-distance movers near me. We take moving seriously. Therefore, we deploy only experienced professionals to handle your assignment. They will reach your house at the scheduled time and start the packing process. Before signing the contract, our team will visit and check all the belongings to understand the packing requirements. For long distance, you can also pick auto transportation, so we will also move your cars along with your belongings. In addition, all your belongings are insured with us, so if any products are damaged during the transit, we will rectify the error under the insurance cover. Local and low-cost moving is your go-to solution for ditching, stuffing your weekends with a load of packing, and disassembling the material to move to a new city. It might take you a week or so to make a local move by yourself. Therefore, you should hire professionals working at a reasonable price like 3 Movers. We have experienced professionals who can pack and move your stuff within a day, and if you want, we can also help you settle your new home. So, reduce your stress and happy moving to the new house. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Konterra moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.